Hello and welcome to GeoTruth. Today we're going to look at the moon on October 10th, 2023. On October 10th, 2023, the moon is in its waning crescent phase. On October 10th, 2023 at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, around 0417, which is 4:17 a.m., pictures and videos of the moon were taken using a Nikon P1000 camera. We'll observe the pictures and videos taken with this camera and compare them with the mainstream science's graphics of the moon. Using the astronomical data from the United States Naval Observatory, altitude and azimuth of the sun and moon during one day, we will first locate the actual sun and moon's locations on the Earth when the Nikon P1000 pictures were taken. We will locate the moon's coordinates first. The first row in the table shows the moon's altitude is 90 degrees, which is directly above, at plus 16.25 latitude and plus 8.50 longitude. We will use these coordinates to locate the moon on the circular level plane Gleason's map. On October 10th, the moon is 17% illuminated. The first row in the table shows the sun's altitude is 90 degrees, which is directly above, at minus 6.59 latitude and plus 52.50 longitude. We will use these coordinates to locate the sun on the circular level plane Gleason's map. The moon is shown as a white circle and is located at plus 16.25 latitude and plus 8.50 longitude on the circular level plane Gleason's map. The sun is shown as a yellow circle and is located at minus 6.59 latitude and plus 52.50 longitude on the circular level plane Gleason's map. Let's compare the locations of the sun and moon from September 29th to October 10th. Between September 29th and October 10th, the sun is getting closer to the moon. Mainstream science always depicts the moon as a spherical mass which reflects sunlight. However, based on our observations of the moon's lunar cycle from September 29th to October 10th, we can conclude the moon is a light and has no visible mass, or light no longer exists. The following Nikon P1000 pictures and videos will verify this again. Again, we observe all the unlit area of the moon is invisible and we see nothing but darkness where there was light. From September 29th to October 10th, we have seen the moon go from 100% illumination to 17% illumination, which means the moon has lost 83% of its full light capability. Where the moon has lost light, there is nothing there. That is why at night we see darkness where the light was, and at day we see blue sky where the light was. We are always observing when the sun is farthest away from the moon is full of light. As the sun moves closer to the moon's light continues to be reduced. Therefore, there is an energy relationship between the sun and the moon. When the moon's light is reduced, the part of the moon with no light is void of anything. The closer the sun is to the moon loses more of its light. When the moon loses its light, there is nothing except darkness during the night and blue sky during the day. The moon is a light, which is not a mass. Mainstream science's depiction of the moon as a spherical mass reflecting sunlight is not true and therefore a lie. Next time we will look at the moon's lunar cycle on October 11th, 2023. See you then.